What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, K Brooklyn. Welcome back. I'm sorry I'm late. Whew, I was on a train caught a flat. Don't you hate when that happens, when a train be catching a flat? Second time this week. Anyway, welcome back to your boy, K Brooklyn Juicing. Today, we are going to, let me throw on the gloves, practice some good hygiene. Yes, I just washed my hands, so don't be asking no questions. Anyway, in the comments, please, let me know what you want me to juice next. Or if you have one of your favorite juices, or blender, please share with me, because then again, this is K Brooklyn Juicing. But today, we are blending. The reason why we are going to blend today, because on the first episode, I made some beet juice. So we have the pulp left over from the beet juice. In the second episode, I made some carrot juice. So we got some pulp left over from the carrot juice and the beet juice. So we're going to put these together into a blender and drink that, because I was reading that a lot of the benefits are in the pulp. The nutrition is in the pulp. So I'm throwing these glasses, and I will leave a little more detail on the bottom, but it's good for digestive health, weight management, and detoxification. So there's a lot of benefits of beet and carrot pulp juice. So again, we're gonna blend it. So it's a different texture. It's gonna be more like a smoothie than a juice. So I like to use Harvest Finest coconut water. We have Dr. Mission sea moss. I've been having this for a long time, and I tell you, fellas, take a teaspoon of this. The ladies will thank you. Your wife will thank you. You will thank you. Just like that. And it's really good. I'm not just going just to go I tried sea moss. I'm like, Dr. Missions, you get busy. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's get this party started. For some reason, this is not locking. Don't want this to come out and go viral and hit me in the face. So anyway, we're gonna pour some of this coconut water up in here. Again, coconut water has benefits. I'm pretty sure everybody knows the benefits of coconut water. I may not have to explain it. Then we're gonna add some of the pulp from the carrots. Okay, it was already open. Sometimes these Ziploc bags, like this one right here, it broke. Boom, so sometimes you just gotta open it like that. You gotta manhandle it sometime. And let me see, throw this carrot up in there. Now again, I don't measure anything, so you go by your liking. Some people like their juice thicker, or like a protein shake. Some people like their protein shake thick, some people like it watery, thin, whatever, so it's up to you. I don't measure anything, so I just like to put it up in here, and as you know, you just see as you go, you get to taste it as you go. I like mine, again, depends on how you like it, preference only. We're gonna throw some of this ice up in here. Now this is my first time doing this and having this. So I'm gonna be honest with you. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. And again, if you've done this before, throw some of the Dr. Missions, throw 3 teaspoons up, 3 up in here. Now, if you've had this before, do me a favor, let me know what you think. Did you enjoy it? Let me know if I'm missing something. Let me know, like, you know what, K Brooklyn, you should have added this, you could have added this. We're gonna learn together. And again, it has a lot of benefits. I'm gonna leave it here in the scroll like I did in the last video, but I read some of the benefits and nutritions that it has. So we're gonna turn this baby on. If the music, if this is too loud, I will put some elevated music on, because I don't wanna kill your ears. Turn this around for Dr. Mission, get his promo. These are not paid. I'm just enjoying what I do. We're gonna juice this on medium. I already see I gotta add some more water to it. I don't like mine too thick, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I like that protein shake, but I don't want that, It depends, again, how you like it. So to your own preference. Yeah, definitely gotta add some more water to this bad boy. Yeah, definitely. I want mine to be, let me see, do I got some more here? I have to get some more coconut water. I'm gonna add the rest of this to it. And as you can see, I only put a little bit, so this is gonna last you for a couple of days. So again, this is the pulp, and I'm using a blender. This is a pulp from the last video from juicing. And again, I'm gonna try this new for myself. Never ever done it before. Hopefully it tastes good, and if it do, we'll see. So let me know how you're feeling today. Also, let me know if you have anything that you juice or blend all the time and you want me to try it. I'll do it live right here, and I'll give you credit for it, and we'll share it together. Again, we all have to get healthy. Again, we all should get healthy together. Don't keep it a secret. Let people know, like, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And again, if you see that I'm doing something that I should add something, or you like me to add something to it, let me know. If you had this already, let me know how long you've been taking it, if you've seen results from it. Because again, I want to share this, and I juice all the time. So I was like, you know what? Why not share this with the people? And when I say people, you. All right, let's see how this tastes. Still kind of thick for me. Not bad, splashing all over the place. Again, this is the carrot, and this is the beet with some Dr. Missions. We're gonna taste this bad boy together. Tell you my honest taste of it. Don't smell like beets. It's bland. You know, it's like food with no seasoning. Yeah, it's really, really bland. I didn't pick up no ginger. That probably would have gave it a kick. It's a different taste. Will I make this again? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Again, the health benefits are amazing because it's the pulp from the last carrot juice and the beet juice. It's not wow factor in me. It's not like, oh my God, I got to get more of this. I'm going to finish this and I'll finish that because I don't like to waste anything. But it's not giving me that, man, yo, you got to try this. Like the carrot juice I made with the ginger, awesome. Awesome sauce. And then the beet juice that I made, I can drink these all the time. But the pulp from the back, not sure. I'm taking another sip of this. Yeah, I'm not really feeling the texture of it. It's like grainy. It's not bad. It's just missing something. I know I'm a ginger person. I did not pick up ginger today. If I'd have threw some ginger in there, it would have gave it that kick. So you probably got to play around with it, add some more stuff to it. But again, I'm gonna go through the benefits of drinking carrot and beet pulp mixed together. So it also says it's high in fiber. So fiber we all need as you get older. I think even when you're younger, I think fiber also helps you go to the bathroom. For those who don't go to the bathroom that often, and I mean number 2. So you definitely want your fiber. And what I just said, it supports digestive health system. Excuse me. It supports your digestive health. And why am I trying to read this without my glasses? Boom, betterer, as they would say. And it also aid in weight management and contribute to overall well-being. Here's a more detailed look at the benefits. Again, digestive health, weight management, nutrition-rich, detoxification, and other potential benefits. Beetroot pulp in particular has been linked to improve athletic performance and blood pressure management. See, I like this. If you've noticed, when I've been doing this, a lot of this stuff always mention blood pressure management. Because as you get older, and the food that we have, your blood go here, the stress levels, it depends on what your life is. And again, this isn't the greatest taste. I really think I should have added an apple. And I love ginger, so ginger takes it to that next level. I'm going to try this again off camera and just going to add some ginger and an apple to it. And that way I could probably finish this. But again, look at the benefits that it has from the pulp. Again, I have been throwing this in the garbage for years. Let me know if you've been doing the same thing or you've been well educated. Like, nah, I don't throw my pulp away. And also it says you can even make muffins out of this. You can bake with this. So I'm like, listen, I gave you a little bit of information from it. You could do your own. If you know anything that I'm missing, add it into the description. Into the comments. Please like, subscribe. There's more coming. This is just a really quick video today because again, this was from the first video. This was from the second video, and this was the pulp. I had it frozen. I thawed it out the day before, and I added some ice and some of that coconut water to it. Again, thanks for subscribing. Man, I really can't believe this is my 3rd video, and I got like maybe 14 subscribers. I'm blessed with that. I'm happy. I'm very happy. And then the first video did over 100 subscribers. The second one did 30. So thank you for watching. And please continue. Let's just share this together. And I want y'all to engage in this with me because again, I'm learning and we're gonna all learn together. And if you are interested in you have a recipe that I haven't tried yet, and let me know. I will definitely try it on air. If you want, I will shout you out on it. Again, it's your boy, K Brooklyn, and we out of here.